So today, guys, I'm riding a 2021 R1250 BMW GS Adventure motorcycle. I built an air dam on the bottom of the helmet. And one of the objectives of this ride is to see how well it's doing. So right now, you can see that flag. Like I said, I got about a crosswind, going about 40 miles an hour. Outside of Findlay. I'm out coming down here, going to do another test, see what okay, there's 60. I got the windshield clear up. Guess I won't turn up there. Look at that, got a big old lock on it. And look at this winter wheat up here, man, pretty. The sun shining on that, the beautiful green. Oh man, got a pretty good wind out here today. When I go back, I'll be going with the wind instead of against it. But yeah, check this out. This is really pretty. This bike's really easy to stand up on. I'm sure you guys are getting a lot better view when I stand up. You don't have to look through that plexiglass windshield. This is pretty cool. Got a pretty good surprise for you out here. It's just so here's the nice surprise I was telling you about. Check this out. Come out here. Gosh, the hills are green. Tell you what, there's no boats on the reservoir today. It's cold. Mills Road, Nine Canyon Road. It's pretty up here. Oh yeah, forgot to shift it back to road mode. Green road. There we go, we're back in road mode. Well, I hope you liked this video. That's going to wrap it up for today, December 30th. We're just lucky to have a day you're not covered with ice and you can get out and ride. It's over 40 degrees and I'm riding.